After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this is what users say about the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is designed for those seeking relief from heat and sun during outdoor activities, sports, fitness routines, and even daily chores. It leverages evaporative cooling technology, which means that when the towel is wet, it provides an instant cooling effect. The product also boasts UPF 50 sun protection, aiming to shield your head and neck from harmful UV rays. Its contour design is intended to stay in place, making it suitable for a wide range of users and activities. The towel is unisex, fits a variety of head sizes, and is marketed as a versatile solution for anyone exposed to heat, whether mowing the lawn, playing golf, or working outside. In terms of construction, the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is made from a lightweight, thin, cooling fabric. Many users appreciate the quality of the stitching and the overall durability, expecting the towel to last for years with proper care. The split-tail design provides extra length, allowing the user to tuck the ends under their shirt for additional cooling along the back and chest. This feature is particularly valued by those who spend long hours outdoors, as it helps keep more of the body cool and protected from the sun. Performance-wise, the cooling effect is immediate upon wetting the towel. For most users, the cooling sensation lasts between 45 minutes to an hour when used indoors or in shaded environments. Outdoors, especially in direct sunlight, the towel tends to dry out much faster, sometimes in as little as 15 minutes. This means that for extended outdoor use, such as yard work or attending a sports event, users will need to re-wet the towel frequently to maintain its cooling properties. Some users find this inconvenient, particularly if they do not have easy access to water during their activities. The towel's fit is a point of both praise and criticism. Users with larger heads report that the hoodie fits comfortably and securely, even accommodating those who have difficulty finding headwear that fits. However, others have noted that the towel can slip off the head during movement, especially if not paired with a cap or helmet. The split-tail design, while functional for tucking under clothing, can create bulky fabric clumps on the chest, which may be uncomfortable or awkward, particularly when bending over or running. Some users mention that the extra fabric can swing and feel heavy during vigorous activities. Another aspect that divides opinion is the thickness of the fabric. While the thin material contributes to a lightweight feel and quick drying after use, it also means that the towel loses moisture, and thus its cooling effect, more rapidly than some thicker alternatives. This can be a drawback for those seeking prolonged cooling in hot, dry conditions. Conversely, the quick-drying nature is appreciated by users who prefer not to carry around a damp towel for hours after use. The towel's sun protection is widely appreciated, especially by users who are bald or have closely shaved heads. The UPF 50 rating provides peace of mind for those concerned about sunburn and long-term UV exposure. Many users report that the towel helps prevent overheating and allows them to continue outdoor activities, such as golf or cycling, even in high temperatures. The hoodie is also popular among those who work outside for extended periods, with several users recommending it for anyone in construction, landscaping, or similar fields. Despite its strengths, the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is not without its detractors. Several reviewers feel that the product is overpriced, especially given its simple construction. Some compare it to a basic piece of cloth that could be replicated with basic sewing skills at a fraction of the cost. The perceived value is further diminished for users who find the cooling effect too short-lived for their needs. Additionally, the advertised snapping feature, which is supposed to reactivate the cooling effect, is widely dismissed as a gimmick that offers no real benefit. Comfort is another mixed area. While many find the towel pleasant to wear, especially in indoor or shaded environments, others are frustrated by the need to re-wet it frequently, and by the way the split-tail design can bunch up or get in the way. For those who primarily work at a desk or perform light activities, tucking the tails into a shirt is an effective solution that also enhances cooling along the chest. However, for more active users, or those who bend over often, the design can be cumbersome or even hazardous. In terms of versatility, the towel performs best in situations where frequent re-wetting is possible and where the user is not exposed to direct sunlight for extended periods. It is ideal for quick outdoor tasks, indoor use during heat waves, or as an accessory under a helmet or hat. For those seeking a simple, effective way to cool down quickly, the towel delivers as promised. However, expectations should be tempered regarding its performance during long-duration outdoor activities without access to water. The overall impression from aggregated user feedback is that the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is a solid product with clear benefits for specific use cases. Its strengths lie in its immediate cooling effect, sun protection, and comfortable fit for larger heads. The main drawbacks are the short duration of cooling in direct sunlight, the need for frequent rewetting, the split tail design's potential for discomfort, and a price point that some consider too high for what is essentially a specialized towel. For those who value convenience and are willing to pay for a ready-made solution, the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is a worthwhile purchase, especially for indoor use or short outdoor tasks. It is less suitable for extended outdoor activities unless you are able to re-wet it regularly. The towel's durability and sun protection are significant pluses, and it can be a game changer for those sensitive to heat or sun exposure. If you are considering this product, think carefully about how and where you plan to use it. If you have easy access to water and need a quick way to cool down, this towel is likely to meet your needs. If you require long-lasting cooling for hours in the sun, you may want to explore other options or be prepared to re-wet the towel frequently. In summary, the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel is a thoughtfully designed accessory that fulfills its promise of instant cooling and sun protection for many users. Its effectiveness is highly dependent on environmental conditions and user activity. The product is best suited for those who need quick, convenient cooling and are not deterred by the need for regular re-wetting. The link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. If you have used the MISSION Cooling Hoodie Towel, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide if it is the right choice for them.